Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and the sunshine is shining. It's as if it's spring already. I'm sure next week it'll be snowing, but for now we'll take the sun, and especially on a handover day, what better day to pick up your new camper van when the sun's shining. And this one's hot off the production line. It's a medium wheelbase, Pop Top version, and as you can see from the outside, stunning van. And this customer's chosen a denim blue canvas, really hard wearing, nice and thick material, and a scenic view on it as well. So that'll pop out, lift back, and give you a nice open camper van, which we did use in Spain last year. It was so hot, we unzipped it and it was gorgeous, really made a difference. Beautiful van as always, and the colour scheme in this one's right up my street. I'm a typical man, blues and greys me. As you can see, that is a stunning material. Real nice fleck in there, and it's such hard wearing material as well. It really does wear. You can afford to be a bit bolder and a bit lighter if you wish, as we have in the demonstrator, and you'll see that very soon. Customer's gone for a few extras, nice extras. The fly screen's always a gorgeous extra. Also a tow bar on this one, so you can have bikes and so on, or you can even tow with it. Oh yes, and lithium upgrade as well. Really high spec. So we got a 270 watt solar panel, Austrian 5-year panel, good quality panel, and then a 300 amp solar lithium upgrade. So a 300 amp lithium upgrade with a battery shunt as well. So that gives you all the information you need. Run time, how much power you're using at any one time. Amazing bit of kit from Victron. But the battery just means you can forget about being off grid. This one's got the new Victra Frigo fridge in. Lovely fridge, works really well, and a very good freezer compartment. So just like you would in your house, very usable, and it's nice high level. You notice, if you've seen our videos before, we've lifted the fridge a little bit higher on this one, and we're always constantly tweaking our vans, making little changes to make it better. And it's made such a big cupboard underneath now. Before we had a cupboard at the top and a cupboard at the bottom, but now it just gives you a gorgeous big cupboard underneath. Such a useful cupboard. And these low level cupboards are great for heavy things, so tins, anything heavy, big pans, put them in the bottom cupboard, nice and safe. But as always, our big cupboards, they're so strong, you can put anything in there, and you've got 3 separate cupboards up at the top over the sink as well. You've got plenty of height when you're cooking, and you've got the 3 rings. This customer's also got the oven and grill option, which works really well. The oven's a great option, so I like the oven. We've used the oven quite a bit. Also, as an upgrade, diesel heating. So if you're worried about your gas supply, we have got a big gas tank under there, and you still use your gas for your cooking. If you want diesel heating, especially in winter, the good thing, or some of the bonuses with diesel heating, is you can run the rear heater while you're driving. So if you're intending to use your van over winter heavily, and you're carrying it as a car with people in the back, the front heater sometimes can take a while to warm all this space up. So you can run your diesel heater, you can pre-warm your van, as you can with the gas as well, but you can leave it on as you set off, so you keep that heat going. Plus, it gives you a longer time on your gas. So if you're worried about your gas and you don't want to fill up, this customer will probably fill up once a year, using it quite heavy as well with a barbecue point and the cooking and so on, and the oven. But the diesel heater takes that little bit more use out of the gas tank and eliminates that usage. You've got a lovely pull-out tap as well, so you can push out through a side window or back door, and you know, you've got your usual refined extras on there as always, or your standard features, your pull-out drawers, your bins, ever so nice, really usable. And then we've got the rear toilet. So if it's the first time you've seen one of our vans, then it just works so well. It's such a nice feature. You've got your toilet here, you've got a drop down shelf in the van, and like I say, everything just works so well. The good thing about our vans is we use our vans constantly, and you look in a van sometimes and they all look very similar, but when you start using a van, that's when you realise you bought a really good quality van and a well thought about van. And that's where we come into our own, because it's not until you use our vans you realise somebody has put a lot of thought and effort into this van and it works, and that's the main thing. So I hope you like what you see, and if you want some further information, come and see us at the shows up and down the country, or come to our open days at our workshop in Rotherham. Please check out the website for the dates on those, and we'll hopefully see you soon.